Hey friends, it's Chrysantilus, and welcome back to another trippy recipe. The sweet season of Halloween and Samhain is upon us, so get your fangs ready to dig in, because today we're making some delicious fairy honey. These glowing lights are delicious for the eyes only. Fairy honey is fun for the whole coven, a wonderful decoration for your altar or wardrobe. The possibilities are endless.
This channel was made possible by contributions from Patreon patrons and subscribers like you. Thank you.
Without further ado, here's what you will need. An empty corked bottle or mouth jar, iridescent fairy film, 6 feet of battery-powered fairy lights, clear tape, scissors, wires, and lobster clips. Now, let's get cooking. Step 1. We are going to light our bottles first. The color of your honey is highly dependent on the color of your light. Today, I'm using 1 blue light and 1 magenta light. Unwrap the lights, but make sure to leave a bit of the end spool. Then, just stuff in 1/3 of your light. For step 2, we are going to cut our fairy film into long strips. The thickness of it is totally up to you. I like mine about this thin. Step 3. We are going to evenly stuff our fairy film with the remaining lights into our jar. This takes a bit of patience. You can use scissors, just like I am here, and just keep on stuffing. Please note, the battery pack should hang out just to the side. Step 4. We are going to pop in our corks, nice and tight. Then, we are going to tightly secure our battery pack to the bottle with tape. I find packing tape is great for this. If you'd like to wear your honey as an accessory, we're gonna do some wire wrapping. So, you can use a loop knot to secure 2 feet of wire to your bottle. Wrap around the bottle and then a couple inches up the wire. And it should hang very comfortably. Next, we're gonna feed in our lobster clips. Then, we are going to wire wrap back down in the direction of our bottle until there's nothing left to wrap. And voila! You have yourself a fresh bottle of rare, glowing fairy honey. These gorgeous portable lights make great gifts and altar pieces. Not to mention, they're all-around conversation starters. Don't forget, all of these honey crafting ingredients can be found in my Amazon storefront. The link is in the description. Let me know in the comments what you'll do with yours. You can get with the realm on Instagram and TikTok at Chrysantilus. Plus, check out my Patreon for direct messages and exclusive videos. I have 3 fun, insightful new journals out on Amazon, and you can find this Keep It Trippy merch in my shop. Thanks for joining me for another magical video. Don't forget to keep it trippy.